Hi guys, Danielle here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making a wig using beauty supply store hair, and we're going to be using the hot glue gun, doing the hot glue gun method. I think I made a wig a long time ago using the hot glue gun method, but that was just something that I did around the house and I did it off camera. But now I came and I want to show you guys how to make a wig using a hot glue gun. This is a brand new hot glue gun I got, and I got it from Walmart. It was like $6, $7 total, because it was like $6.49 I think. So it was like $7 all in total for this hot glue gun. And this is 20 watts, you know, high temp glue gun. I had a glue gun before, but I had that glue gun for a very long time and apparently it just stopped working on me. So open this. They lucky I had some glue sticks because this thing did not come with any. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug this up so it can start warming up. So there's no off and on switch for this thing, so I just plugged it in. And the glue sticks that I'm going to be using these are Gorilla glue sticks, and it says tough. And this is a 30 count mini, and it says that all the things that you can use it for. It says high temp for strong bonding. You can glue wood, plastic, metal, glass, and more. And for low temp, floral, fabric, foam, jewelry, and more. So this is the kinds that I'm using, and they're the really small kind. So I'm just going to stick it in the glue gun, and hopefully this can start. I don't know how long it takes to warm up. Let's just push it on through. But oh, it's getting hot. Okay. So the hair that I'm going to be using is this Milky Way hair, and this is what it looks like. I already opened this one, and then I just try to put it back in the pack. But this is in the color 1. Ooh. And I've been using Milky Way for a long time. I haven't used it recently, honestly. Ever since I got my hands on my first Brazilian bundles, I never went back to beauty supply store hair. But this is Milky Way 100% human hair, and when I was wearing beauty supply store hair, this was my go-to hair, was Milky Way. Like Milky Way, it curls, it straightens, it does all of that, and it's just the go-to hair. So I did get this in the color 1, and where is it? I got a closure. So when I was wearing hair for the beauty supply store, they did not have closures. Closures must have been something they just recently got when closures and frontals became the big thing. So I'm going to be using a spandex cap, and this is what it looks like. And it says a stretchable spandex cap, flexible breathable cap, and extra large spandex cap, and comfortable materials. So this is an extra large, but I think this is the full size for a perfect fit. So that's what it says. So I'm just going ahead and put that on my little person here. And so I guess since I'm going with a middle part, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add glue to the perimeter, and I'm just going to hold it down to the cap. So let me just stand up for you guys, and I'm in the middle. I'm going to use my pins to hold down my closure instead of holding down my cap, because I think my cap is pretty secure. It's not going anywhere. And that is the middle. So flip it over, and you're just going to start gluing. But remember, this dries really fast, so you gotta hurry up and put it down on there. Headbanger.
don't know. Let me know. Why, yeah?
Well, I'm finished with the wig, and this is it, and I cut it like a blunt cut. So I already took my wig off, so I'm then just going to try this one on to see how it looks. I might want to cut it some more because I don't know, I might cut it into a shorter bob because I did initially want a bob. So let me just try it on and see how it looks on my head. Wow, this closure, y'all. This is a really good freaking looking closure. Oh my god, this hair is bomb. I got more hair. It was more hair left over, so I might add some more cuts just to make it a little bit more fuller because it seems a little bit more thin to me. I wasn't trying to make it really full, but I don't know, I might not. Obviously this side is shorter than this side, so I'm gonna have to cut it again to make it like an even cut. But this is freaking beautiful. This is the, I want to say the best beauty supply closure I ever had, but this is the only beauty supply store closure and I ever had, and it looks so realistic and so bomb. Like, you probably wouldn't even be able to tell this was from a beauty supply store. Let me turn it to the side, see how it looks. I love it. I love it so much. This so freaking cute. And I probably don't wear it to the side. I probably do wear it back in the middle because I'm starting to like middle parts. And this closure is just so bomb. So like I said, I made this wig with a hot glue gun, and I got this hair from the beauty supply store. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below what you think about this wig, if you like it. Look at this closure again. Let me get a really close up on this closure so you guys can see it. Like, it looks really, really bomb and really realistic. And this closure was only $24 freaking dollars from the beauty supply store. And I think it comes in like a regular human color. So even if you got some hair and you want to make a wig and you don't really have the funds to get like a closure, because closures are kind of expensive, then you can just go on down to the beauty supply store. I'm not sure all beauty supply stores sell them, but the one by my house do sell it, and it was only $24 for I think it was 12-inch. So this was a very decent and great price for a closure, and it looks really bomb. Like I said, I did bleach the knots on this closure, and I did pluck the hairs on this closure to get a line. And yeah, that's it. Like, I really love it. So if you guys love it too, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Just thumbs up if you like the hair in general. And Simba is back here sleeping. So yeah, that'd be all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hello.